And so it's gonna go right here. Moment of truth, I guess. Or not. Are you dull? What's going on here? Harbor Freight! Yay! It's actually pretty thick. Oh, that's perfect. Nope. Bigger! Ah, give me. That should be big enough. Ah! Cool. That part is done. Now I can vacuum that up. Now for the next bit. So that's done. Ooh. It's gonna be a really short video because there's no charger and very basic stuff today. Basically, all I'm doing today is making this gray. That's why I came out. Because consensus was make it gray. So I'm here to make it gray, like my hair. But all right, dude. I already taped off the floor right here. So it's gonna go up to that point. It's not square, but it's fine. You'll be able to tell. And down, around the whole thing, and hopefully there's enough paint. Probably back where the white stops, because I don't see the point in going all the way to the back. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Just not on me. You might think I don't know what I'm doing, and you would be correct. Woo-hoo. Nice. But I gotta go pull this tape off the front, so I'm gonna go do that. Good enough. And that's the end of paint times with Henry. I might try and put the paintbrush away already. I might try and go over that one more time, but probably not. There's some streaks, kind of see them, especially there. From when it started. Take it off nice and pretty clean there. I'm gonna close up and go back to the house and give the dog some time out before I go to work. So I'll talk to you later. Yeah. Put that on top of the paint. Don't get paint all over my hand, please. It's been real. It's been fun. But it hasn't been real fun. But I did get my sunglasses back.
You see the button there? Subscribe and hit that bell. And if you already subscribed and hit that bell, hit that like button.
We put that poll up on like, do we do gray or white for the bottom of the boat? Like 24 people were like gray and like 4 were white. So here I am, painting the bottom will be gray.